Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Hill on Two Wheels.
How you doing?
So this week we're responding to one of our subscribers who requested that we showcase some of Northern California's really cool custom motorcycle shops.
So we are heading north of San Francisco to Marin County.
To a place called Forest Knolls, where we're going to showcase one of Northern California's, or one of my favorite shops anyway, Hatt's Motorcycles. Come along for the ride. You guys need to stay tuned for the end, for all the bloopers.
Oh my god.
Because we got a few today.
Why?
I don't know. The front right here.
Some what?
Just some angle shots of the front right
No, you forgot your little...
Some little angle shots. So this is definitely one of the coolest bikes that we've seen in, I don't know, forever maybe. This is a pretty badass little bike right here.
Yeah.
So Bret, kind of run us through what you did on this thing. This was a pretty wild build.
This is a 1935 VL frame that I got from Bob Roberts, who was president in San Francisco in the late 60s. They drag raced it in Oakland, and I traded some parts to Bob for that right before Bob left. Had somebody else come around and they wanted me to build the baddest bike I've built so far, so I gave it a try and put a flathead lower end in this 35 frame with the with the FL knucklehead top end. These we had to weld up in here and re-mill the angle. If you look at the knuckleheads, they run off of one cam, and the push rods are at a different angle, so we had to change that angle so they wouldn't leak.
Oh yeah.
And then we brazed flathead valve covers to knucklehead push rod covers down there, and I put two left-hand flywheels in and balanced them and polished them. I cut the bottoms off some overhead valve pistons.
Oh really?
It's got really high compression.
The two of the push rods were out of a Dodge or something like that?
Yeah, I have Mopar push rods in two of them, and two of them are off an Evo. We were able to make
the Evo ones work?
Two Evo push rods with knucklehead cups pressed in them. They were the right diameter, and two Mopar push rods. Drilled the oil return line inside and gave it a little bit more oil. And where the return pump goes on the bottom of the case down here.
Okay.
When I first got it running, oil started pouring out of here, so I had to pull it back apart and mill the inside of the push rods, the lifter bodies. So it would suck the oil down. The flathead has no oil going to the top end, so they don't have no slots in the side of the lifter bodies.
How many awards is his one?
A lot.
I ran out of toes and pins.
So I think we shot this bike for the magazine maybe 5 years ago now.
Yeah.
But so it's definitely made the rounds. But the other cool part about this thing runs too. It's not just a pretty bike.
Right.
None of your bikes are trailer kings, are they, Bret?
They actually like riding in the trailer on the way. We all talk to each other. Here we go.
So what inspires you to for certain builds?
What I like to do is make them light and look good and make it look like it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
whatever it is. And I got this huge pile of stuff, and I got to figure out how to do that with all the stuff, because you can put the wrong thing on it and it totally ruins the whole bike.
How you know what's going to ruin it?
Well,
What's going to make it better?
That's how the place turns into such a mess, and why I had to spend the last month and a half trying to clean it.
Yeah.
Take everything out and see what fits.
Right.
You know,
So
I'm doing that over there right now on a flathead. The 55 FLH panhead.
Woo!
Got 96-inch S&S stroker wheels in it.
That's-
Cool.
Yeah.
Looks pretty clean.
So this was the flathead you're working on?
Yeah, I got that bike like 30 years ago. Sitting in my living room, and I pulled it out of the living room and pulled the motor out of it because I had another 42 motor. I just threw knee pistons and all that stuff on there in time to put the new pump on the bottom. And, I'm hoping to have it going here pretty quick.
God, you got some more projects. Good grief. You better get to work.
He's got big plans now that he's 60. 30 more bikes, let's go.
So, Bret, tell us about your toy run, the San Quentin toy run.
This year, God willing, I'll be able to have the 20th toy run. And a friend of mine, Mondo, is going to help me do a bike show this year at the toy run, the riding bike show. So I'm really kind of excited about trying to make it come together.
Do it for the inmates' kids, right, at San Quentin?
Yeah, we do it for the kids of the inmates. And, you know, there's anywhere between 75 to 100 kids. And,
Oh, they get so excited to get those toys too. I mean,
And that's pretty cool. That's kind of a forgotten crowd of kids. People don't think about them a lot, and it's cool that there's people out there looking out for the kids.
yeah, the kids love it, and you know they can't help it if their dads got caught.
I know that bike had some special meaning because you built it like as a.
It's a memorial bike for his wife, Christine. The bike's name is Christine.
And she passed away from.
Passed away from cancer.
Yeah.
So.
was it breast cancer?
Yeah, it's going over to a guy in East Bay. I forgot what his name is, but he's going to do the artwork on it.
Cool. Well, it looks beautiful the way it is, and
Oh yeah.
what a memorial to the wife. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So were you surprised to see the calendar?
Yeah.
That was.
Like, oh,
It was such
that was
a
just one of our photographers having to snap that over the guy's shoulder that was taking a picture.
Lichter's full.
Totally poached it.
Yeah.
Look that out. We're putting it in.
It was good.
That's cool.
Yeah, as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, yeah, that's a cool shot. That's awesome. Cool. Well, this is definitely one of the coolest shops in Northern California that we've been to. So,
Thank you.
Yeah.
it's, I really enjoy coming up here.
Forest Knoll, California.
Yeah.
Right here. That's where it's at.
That's right.
Yeah, lots of history right here.
Old school.
Yeah. Right on. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I really appreciate the tour.
I appreciate the.
And the bike to shoot too. I think everybody's gonna love it. Hey, thank you guys for riding with us up to Forest Knolls to visit Hatt's Motorcycles. We had an absolute blast up there visiting with Bret, and we hope you guys enjoyed it too. And if you did, please
Give us a big thumbs up.
and if you haven't yet, punch that subscribe button.
And there's a little bell right by the subscribe button. Click that and you'll be notified of our next video.
That's right. And speaking of which, make sure you come back next week because we have something big on the way that we're super excited about that we want to share with you. And you guys will get to see it right along with us.
Yes.
So we'll see you next time. And you guys have a great weekend. Ride safe out there.
Thanks for watching.
This week to a...
Subscribers
Yeah, that's what it was. Subscribers request.
request.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Hill on Two Wheels.
Hey, everyone.
Tons of spit.
Take 26.
Hey, thanks you guys.
It's not just me.
Coming along and riding with us out to Forest Knolls.
If
So
you like
please,
this video,